This is Jeff Quest of Boatshed, Suffolk, and I'm just taking the video of the outside of the Twin Star, which is a heavenly twin. Very seaworthy. I know the current owner has in fact been unable to get out on it recently, and needs to get the boat sold, but he has spent a lot of time on the North Sea. Very capable seaboat, which actually is very spacious inside, and would also make an ideal liveaboard. In clean condition. Rigging very tight, stainless steel. Spacious foredeck with storage, and a very clean hull. There are obviously, you see the pictures of the boat out of the water with the underwater profile. There's a port and starboard companionway to the aft cabin. If you'd like to see more about this boat, then please go to www.boatshedsuffolk.com, and thanks for watching.